Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. An invading grass or weed species through winter can be a real nuisance and can undo all the hard work you've put into getting your lawn looking superb over the warmer months. Here are two of the most common culprits in winter and how to remove them from your lawn. 1 year's seed brings 7 years of weed. This could not be any truer than when it comes to the fight against winter grass or Poa Annua in your lawn. If you have an invasion of winter grass, you will definitely want to treat it before it germinates. If you allow it to drop its seeds, next winter it will be back twice as bad as it was the previous year. A good plan of attack is to treat it as soon as it appears, before it goes to seed, with a post-emergent herbicide like winter grass killer. An even better option is to use a pre-emergent herbicide like oxifert that stops the winter grass before it even emerges from the soil. By acting with a combination of both pre and post-emergent treatments, you will get on top of it a lot quicker. Ryegrass is a cool season seeded grass variety, so over the cooler months it can appear or be oversown into a warm season grass variety, particularly in the more southern states. Some people like to embrace it over the cooler months for some extra colour, but unless managed correctly, it can lead to an inconsistent lawn and more mowing throughout the winter. Ryegrass can be difficult to control in turf as it transitions out with the weather heating up. There are a couple of ways to transition ryegrass. One is reducing water as the weather heats up, and the other is using commercially available herbicides. Herbicides like Tribute, Monument and Destiny should only be applied by a licensed expert, so contact your local lawn maintenance contractor for application. This will also help to ensure that the correct product is used and that it is safe for your turf variety. If you are looking for lawn care products, check out our online lawn store where we provide contactless delivery direct to your door. For more helpful lawn care tips and advice, jump on the Lawn Solutions Australia website and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia and we hope to catch you next time.